Crash course on Hungary, local customs, city guides, hidden gems, and travel itineraries. Welcome to Hungary, a country with a rich tapestry of customs, traditions, and enchanting cities waiting to be explored. Let's dive into the cultural norms and hidden gems of this captivating destination and chart an unforgettable travel itinerary. Local customs and etiquette. Hungarians take pride in their unique customs and etiquette. Greetings often include a firm handshake, and it is customary to address people using their titles and surnames until invited to be on a first-name basis. It is considered polite to say, please, kérem, and, thank you, köszönöm, when interacting with locals. When entering someone's home, it's customary to bring a small gift for the host, such as flowers or wine. Must-visit cities. 1. Budapest, the magnificent capital city, known for its stunning architecture, including the Buda Castle, Fisherman's Bastion, and the iconic chain bridge. 2. Eger, a historical city famous for its medieval castle, thermal baths, and delicious wines. 3. Pécs, a cultural gem with well-preserved Roman ruins, beautiful mosques, and vibrant art scenes. 4. Debrecen, Hungary's second-largest city, offering grand squares, museums, and thermal baths. 5. Szentendre, a charming town filled with art galleries, museums, and cobblestone streets. Hidden gems and travel tips. 1. Hortobágy National Park. Explore the vast Hungarian prairie, its unique wildlife, and traditional shepherding. 2. Visegrad. Discover the medieval fortress and enjoy panoramic views of the Danube River. 3. Lake Balaton, Europe's largest freshwater lake, perfect for relaxing beach vacations and water sports. 4. Itinerary National Park. Explore mesmerizing caves and karst formations in this UNESCO World Heritage Site. 5. Tokaji Wine Region. Savor the world-famous sweet Tokaji wines amidst picturesque vineyards. Day trips and excursions. 1. Danube Bend Tour. Embark on a scenic cruise along the Danube River, visiting charming riverside towns like Visegrad and Esztergom. 2. Godolo Palace. Visit this stunning Baroque palace, once the summer residence of Empress Elizabeth, CC, of Austria. 3. Bratislava, Slovakia. Take a day trip to the nearby Slovakian capital for a taste of Central European charm. 4. Vienna, Austria. Venture to Vienna, known for its classical music heritage and imperial palaces. Travel itinerary suggestions. 1. Budapest highlights, 3 days, explore Budapest's iconic landmarks, thermal baths, and vibrant nightlife. 2. Historical tour, 5 days, journey through Eger, Pécs, and Debrecen, discovering Hungary's diverse history. 3. Nature and wine, 4 days, discover Hortobágy National Park and the Tokaji Wine Region for a unique blend of nature and culture. Budget-friendly tips. 1. Consider purchasing a Budapest card for discounted transportation and entry to major attractions. 2. Opt for local eateries and street food for authentic Hungarian cuisine at lower costs. 3. Travel during the shoulder seasons, spring and autumn, for milder weather and more affordable accommodations. Exciting stories. One of Hungary's most beloved traditions is the Buso festival in Mohawks, where locals don traditional masks and costumes to scare away winter and welcome spring with lively parades and music. Summarizing our adventure through Hungary's customs, cities, hidden gems, and travel delights, this country's allure lies in its unique blend of history, culture, and natural wonders. As you embark on your journey, immerse yourself in Hungary's charm, from the enchanting castles to the warm hospitality of its people. Crash course on Hungary's customs and charms. A land with cities and hidden gems in arms. From Budapest's grandeur to Hortobágy's vast. Immerse in customs, a journey unsurpassed. A handshake firm and titles to address. Politeness reigns, bringing joy and success. Bring gifts for hosts, say, please, and, thank you. In Hungary's customs, respect is true. In Budapest, the castle's grace. A city blend of old and new embrace. Eger's wine and thermal baths delight. While Pécs unveils art with every sight. Debrecen's grandeur, a city of pride. And Szentendre's charm, where arts reside. Explore Hortobágy's prairie wide. And Visegrad's fortress, on the Danube's side. Lake Balaton's waters, a tranquil retreat. Agtelik's caves, a subterranean feat. In Tokaji, sweet wines from vineyards divine. Hungary's hidden gems, a treasure to find. Day trips to Vienna and Bratislava's allure. Discovering tales of history pure. In Godolo's palace, Sisi's reign. A glimpse of the past, an enchanting gain. Follow Itineraries, a guide to inspire. Through Budapest's beauty or history's mire. A budget-friendly journey, seek to find. In Hungary's heart, memories unwind. Amidst Mohawk's festival, Buzos dance. Warding off winter, a lively trance. With every step and moment's gleam. Hungary's spirit, a traveler's dream. So, embrace the customs and cities with glee. In Hungary's heart, a world to see. As you plan and explore, the memories will play. In the land of Hungary, where wonders lay. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.